Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove chat from taskbar. So if you have got this chat icon in your taskbar, then there are some simple ways to remove it. To do so, first of all, open your laptop and go to your taskbar. Now right click on your taskbar and click on taskbar settings. The other way is to click on your start button and settings, and then click on personalizations. Scroll down till you see taskbar. This is the same interface. This is the same interface you will get by right clicking your taskbar settings. So if you have got the chat icon in your taskbar, then you shall have the chat icon in taskbar items. And if you have it here, then you can toggle it off. Then you can toggle it off from here. So I have got task view here and it is toggled on. So you can see it. Right here. So if I now toggle it off, it gets removed from the taskbar too. So if you have got the chat icon, you can just toggle it off from here, and that's how you can remove chat from taskbar. And thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.